and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. Tonight, it's Friday night. We've been eating clean. We've been eating healthy all week. So we're gonna have a little treat. The boy is here. Babe is here. What are we having tonight, Babe?
We're having steak.
No, not just any steak. We're having bone-in, choice, thick ribeye steaks prepared on the Weber Kettle. So as you may know, me and Babe, we just purchased the Weber Kettle 22-inch premium in the copper color, and we don't know how to use it. So we're gonna do a series of videos. We did a swordfish video, which you can go back and see. We're gonna do steaks, we're gonna do ribs, and this is a learning experience. So really, barbecuing is an art, and it's not something that you could just buy the Weber Kettle and then cook amazing food. You need to study it, you need to learn. And so if you guys see what we're doing, if we're doing something wrong or something like that, leave a comment below and let us know. But this is part of our series of cooking on the Weber Kettle, learning how to barbecue. We cooked the swordfish, now we're doing bone-in ribeyes tonight. We're gonna do a rib video, and yeah. So without further ado, Friday night, bourbon old fashioned, eating clean all week, having a little treat, and here we go! So for this cook, besides the Weber Kettle and charcoal, of course, you're gonna need a bourbon old fashioned, of course. Right, babe? Right.
Oh, I thought you needed me.
Oh. Well, in this cook, the first and foremost thing is you're gonna need a Babe.
Babe.
Let's see here. I bought this little device here, the ThermaPro dual, so we get the kettle temperature and we get that. Babe picked up these steaks. Let's check them out. And Babe did a salt and then put them in the refrigerator uncovered, kind of like a dry brine. Just getting them ready. That's just salt. Well, Babe, let's get the coals lit on the Weber Kettle. All right, so here's the plan. We're gonna leave the bottom grate open a tiny bit. We're gonna leave the top grate open a tiny bit. We're gonna fill it up with about 20, 25 charcoals. Is that the right word? Charcoals. And then we're gonna do low and slow in the beginning. We're gonna bring the steaks up to about 80 degrees. We're gonna flip them. We're gonna bring them up to about 115, 120 degrees. And then we're gonna do a sear. So this is kind of a reverse sear bone-in ribeye on the Weber Kettle. Now come in close, Babe, come in close. Look down here. Look, we did the swordfish cook. That's why it's a little bit dirty. We're gonna keep it open that much. That's like a pencil width, if you can see it. If you see the little flippers, you can see it. It's about a pencil width. This is how we're gonna keep it open, about that. Those are the charcoal baskets, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna get the chimney, back up, Babe. Look at this. This is professional. Babe, it's like a professional filming operation. We're gonna put like 20 to 25 charcoal briquettes in here. We're gonna light them on fire. The neighbors are like, you guys are freaks. And then we're gonna pour them in the charcoal basket. We're gonna let it bring up to temperature. I'm gonna use a new thermometer. We're gonna bring the kettle to like 250, in the neighborhood of 250. We're gonna get everything situated and dialed in. I don't know what I'm doing. And then we're gonna put the steaks on. That's the plan. Stay tuned for further.
But can we look at the color of this? Because I really love it. It's copper.
It is copper.
It's the copper one.
It's copper. Let me show you the lid, babe.
Yeah.
Let me show you the lid in our professional cook, like this.
So cute. And then soon we can get rose gold silverware?
No, babe, this is a barbecue video. Oh. This is manly. We're in the
copper.
We're in the backyard grilling steaks on a Friday night drinking bourbon. We're not
came up with a great idea.
Rose gold, babe. No, babe. No.
Done?
Yeah. All right, so I have a question for you guys. These are the actual Weber lighter cubes. They're like $4 for a bunch of them. They're the wax like lighter things. Can you look at what I'm doing on the grill right here? So look, when you light it like this, can you do that on the grill? Is that sanitary or is that a bad idea? And then you just put this over it? What do you think? Is that a good idea? Like, I've seen a lot of people do that before. American flag, USA. Let's break to a USA thin blue line flag montage now. Look at this little patio that you set up. You have like that. You have little tiki torches. Look at your plants, babe. They're flourishing, even though you killed them and I brought them back to life. They're flourishing, babe.
Oh, babe.
Babe's gonna hang little like Christmas lights around there. Yeah, it's like her college dorm room, only not. And then I'm gonna get my friend Adam to build like a little table right there for us, and we're gonna put a Blackstone right there, and then we're gonna have a tabletop Blackstone. We're gonna have the Weber Kettle. Look at that.
Babe, our little place is cute. It's coming together.
It's coming together.
It's small, but I like it. It's cozy.
It's cozy.
Yeah.
That's code word for something that is super small.
Can you get that snail off though?
The snail?
Yeah. very woodsy on this, in this area. I love it.
You feel like you're back in Reading?
Yep.
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh babe, what do you got going on there?
This is the broccoli.
So we're gonna have some bone-in ribeyes, and babe's gonna cook some of her famous broccoli.
Yeah, babe.
Babe, what's the premise of your famous broccoli?
Well, the only reason that our kids will eat broccoli is because I do it with a little bit of olive oil, some salt and pepper, and I bake it at 450, and I do it for like 25 to 30 minutes.
There you go. Show note, 450, 25 minutes. Broccoli, olive oil, salt, pepper, bake it. Kids will eat it.
Yes, they will. And love it.
All right, so the coals are ready. And we're gonna put them in the charcoal baskets. And then we're gonna let it like even out so that the kettle temperature brings it down to like 250. So, look at this. Ooh, that's a hot, spicy meatball. All right, look at that, babe. You got that?
Yeah, looks good.
All right. So now, this is the new super mega thermometer here that I got.
That's fancy.
Look at these. I got a meat probe and a kettle probe. So we'll put this over here on the non-hot side, I'm assuming. Mm-hmm. You get what I'm saying? Like, we'll put that right there. Okay.
Okay.
So like I said, the bottom grate is open like a pencil width. Look at the top grate. I got it open like a tiny bit here. And then I'm gonna put this on the opposite side of the direct heat, and I'm gonna put this thermometer on the direct heat. So we're gonna put it like this, okay? So look, this is over on the direct heat over here, indirect heat right here. Look at this. Pencil width on the bottom. I'm trying to get it low and slow so that we can bring the steaks up low and slow and then do the reverse sear. That's my plan in my brain from everything I've watched on YouTube. So.
Oh, good, babe. I'm sure it'll be fantastic.
5 minutes in on the Weber kettle. So it's been 20 minutes, okay? We're at 264. I closed the bottom vent a tiny bit. I closed the top vent a tiny bit. So we're at 264. Babe's bringing out the steaks. Okay?
Look good?
Yeah, let's put the probe in them and let's put them on the grill.
Put the probe in you.
I'll put the probe in you, babe. Alright, so as you saw, it was 84 degrees in the meat probe. The meat probe was like 84 degrees because it's outside. So we're going to put this in. This is like the thicker steak. I'm going to probably just put it in like right. What do you think, babe?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, wow. It's really intense.
Yeah, we'll put it like that. Okay. And we're going low and slow at first, babe.
Okay.
So we'll put this like right here.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll put this one right here. Now we're going to bring these up to about 80 degrees. We're going to flip them, bring it up to 120. Then we're going to do a resear. All right, so our kettle temperature is at 210. Our steaks are at 62. We're going to bring that up to 80, and then we're going to flip them. How babe?
Yeah, babe.
We're just gonna flip this. Babe, you give me a rubber spatula.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay, we're just gonna flip this. Okay, we're gonna flip this one with the meat probe in it.
You want me to get the middle one?
No, it's okay. We got the meat probe in it.
I wasn't even thinking. Sorry.
Okay, that's okay. We're putting the lid back on the Weber kettle. That's the behind the scenes madness. Now we're gonna bring these steaks up to like 120. We're gonna bring the steaks up to 120, and then we're gonna take them off. We're gonna dry them off. I'm gonna add more charcoal because this charcoal is almost burnt out. There's only like 21 briquettes. And then we're gonna add more, then we're gonna do a reverse sear. That's the plan. The internal kettle temperature right now is 230. The steaks are at 99 degrees. We're waiting for them to get up to 120. We're gonna pull them off, dry them off. I'm gonna add more charcoal. Then we're gonna sear them 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, and they're gonna be done. Okay.
Babe, you can't see anything.
I know. We're pulling them off. It's 115 degrees.
Ooh.
We're drying these off.
Maybe I should.
We're just basting them with a little bit of olive oil.
Oh, do you want me to turn it around, babe, so I can watch you?
I got it. Oh, you okay? And now we're getting these coals nice and hot. That is a bright light. We're YouTube live on that camera. We're this camera. And now we're gonna sear them 1 minute on each side. Flip, 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 flip. 4 minutes total. Everybody's flipping. And then we're done. And then we're gonna eat. And your baked broccoli's done. And hallelujah. It's been on 1 minute. Let's flip it.
Yeah, that plastic spatula is a bad idea.
I'm not using the cold grill. What is it called? The cold grill technique?
Yeah.
I'm not using that technique. I just flipped it.
Okay.
They're not gonna burn, babe. Don't worry.
Oh, babe.
We're searing them. This is a reverse sear.
Don't flip the steaks. Flip the thumbs down.
Oh, that's rude.
Burning it.
Oh, cooking with James.
You better.
They're calling it blackened steak.
But you better flip it because that one really is burning.
Nah, it's just searing, babe.
It's not
just
searing.
It's getting char
Babe, I think you really need to pull it. You're gonna ruin it. That's a very expensive steak. Babe, I really think you need to pull it.
We're gonna flip it again.
Pull it.
Flip it.
No, pull it. Burnt, completely charred,
Nah,
and half
great.
charred. Yep, burnt.
No, we'll see when it's all done. We'll see. We'll see my skills.
So here we go. We had a disagreement on when to take them off. And I said take them off now. You said take them off later. So we took them off when you said, or when I said. So here we are. And oh, look at that. It's your perfect medium well bite of steak. Looks
Medium well?
Or medium.
That's medium rare, babe. Or rare.
No, it isn't.
All right.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, let's cut the other one. Go ahead.
Come on. Oh my goodness. That's perfect. Okay, there's that one that didn't get charred. And then
I'm gonna zoom in. I want the audience to really feel the.
we have this one.
Okay, that's the tip. Go in the middle, babe. Go in the middle. Don't judge me by the tip.
We've got medium well.
So what do you think, babe? Weber Kettle?
Weber Kettle, it's good. Take it off, like right when we said. So here's the most cooked piece. Check out the juice in this. Look at that.
Overall, how would you say the cook was?
Overall, I'd say I'm glad we listened to everybody because it got pulled off at the perfect time.
That was fantastic, babe.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, everybody. That's our second cook ever on the Weber Kettle. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. They turned out good. One was a little more one was medium well. Fantastic. Yeah. Fantastic. It all worked out. Like, I have no barbecue knowledge, babe. Like, we're learning. And for the second cook ever on the Weber Kettle, turned out fantastic. So,
good.
Thank you all for watching. Hope you all have a great week.